Wait for a moment. Let me just spawn a plane for a moment. Kaylin. She hit me like I'm a turtle. Okay, let's go and back to Perth. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm preparing for the gate for the 777. Wait. Oh yes, it's perfect now. It's perfect. It's in perfect condition right now. Now let's. Okay, so let's put this here. Okay, there we go. And okay, the plane is right there. It's time for the refuel truck. Okay, the plane is in perfect condition. No, now wait for a moment. After everything is done, now it will go reverse thrust and go. Okay, so it's here now. Okay, the fuel truck is here. Let's go. And there's the fuel truck. Let's get into the plane. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so it's now. Okay, so they're now the. Okay, wait. I'm doing this flight to Orangey, so yeah. Wait, let me just skip pushback. Let me just skip taxiing too. Okay, so since there's still a runway near us, this is not to skip taxiing. Okay, so yeah. Place turning here. Okay, so my mom just called me, but I'm still not hungry yet. And then flaps are there and go.